everyone, Lauren here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make an appointment at the Center for Academic Success using Jasper Connect. So once you've logged into Jasper Connect, the first thing you're going to want to do is go to the top left corner and click on the navigation menu. After you open the navigation menu, you'll want to scroll to the bottom until you see the Courses channel. In the Courses channel, you will be able to see all of your instructors and any tutors that are available for each course. If you hover over the tutor's profile, you will be able to see a biography about them, as well as their office hours, and a button that you will be able to click to schedule an appointment with them. In addition to subject matter tutoring, you can also schedule appointments with a peer academic coach or a writing consultant. These services can be found under My Success Network. Once you open My Success Network, you will be able to scroll to the bottom of the page and find access to both peer academic coaching and the Writing Center. You may also access other services such as advisors for your individual schools and the Specialized Resource Center on this page. Alright, that's all I have for you guys today, so as always, please keep following at moz_MC on Instagram. And if any of you guys need a more detailed account of how to access any of the services that I went over in today's video, you can use the link in the bio of this YouTube video for step-by-step instructions on how to access all of this. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye!